Hey, you guys on YouTube that have been watching our channel, we're live here at our 2-day technician boot camp. Been working on documentation, setting up equipment. Excuse me, folks. Excuse me.
Yeah, those are axials.
Okay.
And just showing a lot of new technicians, new owners, existing technicians, how to set up jobs, how to document, how to get paid for on their insurance claims. And just wanted to show you guys a little update of how we've got people from all over the country starting to do these classes more. Real quick. Hey guys, do you mind if I interrupt you?
No problem.
Hey, I've got you here live on YouTube. Just wanted to say, how's the training? You guys glad you came out?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We got Denver and Oklahoma.
Yeah, it's been hands-on. It's great.
Jeff, you're a brand new owner, haven't even done a job yet, right? Just getting started.
Yep. Better to learn this way than on TV.
Yeah, anything you want to say for other new owners that are getting into the business with this kind of training?
This is so beneficial. It's if you're a new owner, even a new technician, this has been amazing just already. We're still on day one, but there's been so much we've learned already, and like I said, it's just nice being hands-on.
Good. Appreciate you, Jeff. Now, Frankie, you're been in this a couple years now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you flew in from Oklahoma. Why would you recommend this to somebody else?
I'd say there's definitely a lot of simple things that people are missing that could really benefit you in the end, as far as how the room was whenever you first showed up, and leaving it in the same way that you showed up.
Good. All right. Thanks, Frankie. Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate you guys coming out.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's go back here really quick. I'm going to flip around. Get two more guys here. Hey, Tim. Tim, you flew in from Virginia.
Yes,
Got
sir.
you on video here.
Yeah.
This first day of training. Are you glad you came?
Very glad I came. A lot of information being passed around by not just you guys, but everyone here.
The
It's
whole
a good way
group,
to
right?
connect with everybody. Yeah.
Sharing. What would
Yeah.
maybe two things you got this morning already?
While I've avoided Hydro, now I'm going into Hydro more.
Working with Encircle.
Yeah, within Circle.
Good.
Because a lot of people here have used Hydro, so there can be some information about Hydro.
Yeah.
Very helpful to get that information.
So would this be beneficial for a technician with a couple of years experience to come to?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Awesome.
Anybody who's worked in Encircle but doesn't really have an in-depth knowledge of the next step with Hydro, I'm getting a lot of good information.
Awesome.
And then just, being able to just see the setups here, very beneficial to see how others do it. Because when you're doing it in your own place, you know what you do, but you don't have any other examples.
Well, and then how to document it, right? So you guys can actually get paid for it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Important.
Thanks for coming,
That's the
Tim.
most important thing, right?
Yeah. Hey, Ryan, got you here on the video.
Okay,
I'm from Virginia as well. Hey, just what would you say to a couple people that are thinking about possibly working with us or coming to one of these camps?
Best class, if you ever want to learn something, just come here. They the best. They taught me a lot.
How long
Yes,
you
sir.
been a technician in the industry?
I've been a technician for 8 months, and I came in. I'm still learning new things. Encircle, dry link, anything you need to know. These are the people to come to.
Good. And you've been getting on our weekly technician calls too, right? For a while.
Every Thursday.
How's that benefited you?
Oh, a whole lot. It just helped me understand the restoration thing so much more. Like, it's just a lot to learn, and it's just a lot I'm picking up and I'm learning, and it's the best. It's real helpful. It just helped me so much.
We appreciate you coming.
Well, thank you.
All right, talk to you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Drop it in, and then I'll search up the number of air mover